Welcome to Credit Cards 101. What is a credit card and what can you do with it? A credit card gives you access to an approved revolving line of credit. Every time you buy something with a credit card, you are borrowing money. When you get your monthly statement, you can choose to pay that money back in full or over time. Paying as much as you can is always the best option, as it limits interest charges and helps build credit scores. APR stands for annual percentage rate, which equals the interest rate applied if you carry a balance. How to manage your credit card. Members can enroll in Easy Card Info to review transactions and statements, make one-time and recurring payments, set up alerts, and dispute charges. To access it, visit our website for a link. You can also make payments directly from your credit union checking account through home banking. Credit card best practices. Keep your card numbers private and review your credit card statement regularly. Avoid interest charges and late payments by making more than the minimum payment by the due date. And that's Credit Cards 101. For more information, visit WNYFCU.com.